Anyway, so may kwento ako. It's about Phil being a picky eater. Anyway, so it was back in 2012. Tapos we went to we went home to the Philippines for a vacation. Tapos we went to Puerto Princesa. And I'm a big seafood fan. So excited ako. Alam mo yun? Excited ako to eat like fresh seafood and all.
Sorry, there's someone.
How are you?
Good.
Where are we now?
Puerto Princesa.
Hi, we're in Puerto Princesa.
And so when we went to Puerto Princesa, I think that was the time when alam mo yun yung naging part siya ng yung cave. It was part of the 7 wonders of the world. So I think that was the time when we went there. But anyway, so we booked this tour that's like going on a boat ride, tapos you're gonna go snorkeling, fishing, and ano pa ba yun? I think it was also on the way to the cave. Anyway, so yeah. And so yeah, we went on a boat ride. I'm so excited. I'm so happy kasi again, that's for all the seafood lovers. Yan yung parang fantasy nila, right? To eat fresh seafood. But anyways, the fresher the better. Anyways, so on our boat ride, so nasa gitna na kami ng karagatan. And then what happened was we were fishing, nag-catch kami ng fish, tapos sila, meron din silang, I don't know, they were able to catch crabs and some shrimps, or they might have brought it, but it's freshly, sabi nila na it's freshly catch. So, yun. So, during the boat ride, in the middle of the season, pinipare na nila yung mga seafoods, they cook it and all that. So I'm so excited kasi oh my god, it's the best. Like that's really what I wanted, like fresh seafood. Like I live in Alberta, so fresh seafood is not a thing here at all. So that was like parang I was really so happy to do that tour. But anyway, so once they were done preparing it, obviously they asked us like, so tinanong ako ni Kuya, so ma'am, what do you want? Of course in Tagalog. Sabi niya, ma'am, what do you want? Gusto mo ba ng isda? Gusto mo ba ng shrimp? Gusto mo ba ng crabs? And I sabi ko, ay kuya, oh my god, crab. Favorite ko talaga yung crabs. Parang meron kayo dyan, especially yung may orange. Diba? I don't know if it's an egg. I don't know that's what we call it. Alam mo yun, itlog or whatever ng crab. What do you call it in Tagalog? Not itlog, but the actual name of it. I don't know, something ng talangka. So, yeah, the orange part. Sabi ko, yan kuya, kung meron kayong ganyan, please, yan talaga yung favorite ko. Tapos sabi ko, oh yeah, don't worry ma'am, meron kami. Tapos ang sarap ng sauce namin. So, sobrang excited ako, grabe. Tapos si Phil na yung turn na tinanong. Sabi niya, sir, do you want anything? Is there anything particular that you like? Like, do you want fish? Do you want shrimp? Do you want lato? Oh my gosh, like, you know, the seaweed, it's our favorite. Sabi niya, do you want lato? Ano? Tapos alam mo sabi ni Phil? Of course. Sabi niya, Kuya, do you have chicken? I was like, oh my god, Phil, where are you gonna find chicken? Nasa gitna tayo ng karagatan. We're in the middle of the ocean. Where can you find chicken? Like, parang, oh my god, parang hindi ko alam paano sasabihin. Sabi ko, oh my god, sabi ko, kuya, sorry talaga, hindi siya kumakain ng seafood. Tapos buti na lang sabi ni kuya na, actually ma'am, okay lang, meron naman kaming tinabi dito sa mga taong ganyan. So, hindi naman yung sinasabi para sa, pero alam mo yun, parang, I get it, yeah. So, para sa mga, sabi niya, meron naman kaming dala na chicken, just in case na yung ayaw na may seafood. Sabi ko, oh, salamat talaga kuya, parang, sabi ko, oh my god, Phil. Like, you know what, this is my dream, like, having fresh seafood, tapos you're looking for chicken. Saan pupulutin yung chicken dito? Nasa gitna tayo ng karagatan. Parang, oh my god. So parang, yeah, yan yung funny story. Kaya hindi ko siya, ang hirap mag-travel with Phil na when it comes to food. Kasi ako, I want to try different food. Gusto ko talaga mag-try ng different food, pero siya, naku, yung talaga, parang, ay, patatas lang ata kinakain nun eh. Anyway, so patatas, pizza, spaghetti. Hindi nga kumakain ng spaghetti na Pinoy. Ibang spaghetti yung gusto niya. Ayaw niya yung matamis. But anyway, so yan yung story ko of like having a husband that's a picky eater, and yung mga anak ko parang sumusunod na rin. So every time we travel or we go out, I just tell people like, or I'll just tell like, yeah, people like, oh, he's allergic to seafood. Para wala nang tanong-tanong, wala nang question. So yun, the struggle of a foodie married to a non-foodie.